What's up, guys? We are here with the JHG gang hanging out at their open house. I'll tell you what, it has been a day already. It has been amazing. So many people rolling through. We did an autograph session earlier, and I mean, hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of people have showed up. This thing has grown to be unbelievable every year. Jason, Nikki, his entire family, Nate, Janelle, everybody out here just putting this together. I know it's been a big event and they've been working hard, but man, what a turnout, man. We are excited to be here. I tell you what, this is one of these things where you want to just look at one of these cars and you're like, if I just had one in my garage, it would be cool. But I think Jason's collection has over 300 cars, maybe 400 cars, I don't know. And then his dad has another collection too. So it's incredible. I think every time you come into a new building, there's something new going on. It's got its own theme. It's a cool deal, but we're having a lot of fun. And if you're not here this year, get here next year.